Hello and welcome back to another video and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you Qianli iSee 2 dust lamp. This is for when you are repairing the mobile phone LCD. There is some dust, as maybe you know, and this product showing you there is a dust or not, and then you can clear the LCD and replacement your product with this one safely. So this is our product iSee 2 dust detection lamp, and inside have one small things. This is the instruction for the using the product. It's very useful for everyone. And here is our main product. Wow, it looks nice. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LED lamp. And the nice of the Qianli company's brand name in here. And there's one small things in here for the not move much in your table. Let's use with the one Type-C cable. The product coming without cable, so if you have a Type-C cable, you can just connection to your product. Wow, this is actually amazing. One click you can open, one click you can close, and you can also put your, look at this, just lights. Here you can open and close more, and you can also put your television in here, as like we say, like this. And you know what is your television, you can just repair your mobile phone easily. In the market actually there are not much several products like this one. This one is actually good quality. It's from the Qianli company, as you can see it. They made their product with very good, and this one is actually, the new one is with cable. Actually you can take anywhere to use it with Type-C one. It's very good quality from the Qianli company. Thank you again for watching our video, and see you in the next one.